Box cover. So Dirty Berry is here, and I'm telling you about this brand new movie that I guess is directed, produced by Mr. Nick Cannon himself, called King of the Dancehall. No, I'm not there to promote it, but I love to support anything that is brand Jamaica and that features our culture. So first up, I have to give big credits to Mr. Cannon for coming to the island, falling in love with our culture, and thinking that it is worthy enough to get the attention of the public. And not only that, what I like in particular is the fact that he is able to relate this love in such a way that we can basically call him an honorary Jamaican brother. All right, just hear what he had to say when he visited The View this week to talk about the movie.
I love that you have the subtitles because one of my best friends is Jamaican and sometimes she speaks in patois and I don't really understand what she's saying, but I love the sound of it. So people that aren't familiar with dance hall, please explain it.
Yeah, this film is edutainment. I mean,
It is.
and when you see the film, you'll see that you're learning about a subculture that is global. I mean, when you see Beyonce and Rihanna, they're doing these dance moves, and this is where it originated from.
Yes,
And it came from Kingston, and just the power of Jamaica in itself. I mean, to celebrate their culture. I mean, they've been through so much, and I always say dancehall is the music of the people and of the culture. And they just celebrated Emancipation Day yesterday in Jamaica, and this weekend it's the Independence Day, so it's a perfect time for this film to come out and just celebrate this culture that a lot of people have borrowed from, but didn't get the opportunity to know the origin of it. So
Quite so, yes. Stuff like this is what I like to hear when people come here and see it. Them not go around it, them not make up no little story. Them talk about it as a true supporter and a lover of what brand Jamaica represent. Well, that is it, people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you follow me on social media. That is at TheDuttyBerryShow. On Instagram, on Twitter, on Snapchat. You can like my fan page on Facebook as well. If you want to email me to book me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
You know what you can do, and that's dance.
That's right.
So, to play us out, join us. I know you want to do the Puerto Rican shuffle. No, come on. I want you to.